Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the ancient ruin in new ancient jungle expansion. But first, remember that this new map can only be entered once you reach level 200. So make sure you have hit that level before trying this tutorial. First, just go to sacred temple like this. Just enter the temple, and then next you will find an elevator like this. Simply step on it and then it will teleport you to ancient ruin. And then next from here, just follow the exact path that I'm taking. Just keep walking straight through the passage until you reach the large sealed door that looks like this. Just look like this. This one. This door. And then to open this ancient ruin door, you must sacrifice 4 specific fish like this. But right now I still haven't unlocked it because I'm missing one of the fish. But if you already have all 4, the door will automatically open, granting you access to an ancient ruin. And okay, that's it. Just good luck collecting the fish and then just enjoy exploring the new ancient jungle expansions. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!